You have an idea in your mind. Now you want to make it work on the computer. You have to know how to run your program in Scratch to see if your idea works the way you wanted it to work. In this lesson, you'll learn how to run a program in Scratch on your computer. There are 3 ways to run a program in Scratch. Look for the buttons that look like a green flag. Here's one, and here is another. Click on one of those buttons to run the program. If you have a small screen, you might want to click this button with the 4 arrows, pointing out to run the program in full screen mode. I just showed you 2 buttons where you can run the program, but I said there are 3 buttons in Scratch where you can run your program. Your challenge for this lesson is to find the 3rd way to run a program. Open the link to the Scratch program below under the challenge area and try to find that 3rd way to run a program. Hint, the 3rd way is also where you can see the code blocks. If you get stuck on the challenge, download the solution guide by filling out the form below. Pause the video now and try the challenge. Congratulations if you've completed the challenge. In this lesson, you learned how to run a program in Scratch. If you have any questions, please fill out the form below labeled Ask a Question. If you are all ready to start the next lesson, click the link below labeled Start Next Lesson.